Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to turn this bundle to this closure. Okay, how I was able to turn it to that closure, and then from that closure I was able now to turn it to a wig like this. That's exactly what I'm going to show you guys in this video. If it sounds like something you're interested in, then stick with me to the end of this video. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. So these are the materials we need. We need our canvas head, and still use a dummy. We need, of course, our lace. We need a measuring tape. We need our venting pin, a pencil. We need a ruler. We need the needle and thread, and of course we need our bundle. Okay, I have 3 bundles in total. That's the materials we need to make this particular, to turn this particular bundle to a closure and then to a wig. So first of all, we have to customize the closure. So I'm making use of size 2x6 closure. That's what I'm making use. I just have to cut a little from the bundle. Okay, when I open one of the bundle, I just cut that little. Okay, and then cut small hair from the left. Remove the ones I don't need, which are the short ones, because we're actually going to be working with the long ones. I still have to comb it to get rid of the short ones. Then when I'm done, I started venting. Please guys, this is not a detailed tutorial on how I was able to make that particular closure. If you want to see the detailed video, please check the video before this one, because I can't combine both videos. It will be very long. It might take up to 14 minutes, and I wonder how many persons are ready to watch a video that is up to 14 minutes. That is why I have to divide it into 2. Check the video before this one. That was how I was able to make the closure, and the video is detailed. So this particular one, let's just go ahead and wig it. Okay, let me show you guys how to place the right way to place the closure, your wig cap, sew it, and just the process what I did to get that particular hair. That's what I'm going to show you guys now. So this is the wig cap that I'm going to use, guys. This is the wig cap. So what I'm going to do now is to secure the wig cap on my canvas. The place that has the kind of the bigger size, that's just what I will say. The bigger size should be in front, because that's where we are going to place our closure. Then the one that has a kind of a triangular shape should be at the back. Then I have to secure the lace, my closure on the wig cap using a pin. You see how I place it? I bring it forth, like the closure has to pass the wig cap. Just watch what I'm doing, you understand. Then the next thing is for me to drag it. Please make sure it's slapping very well. This is where a lot of people make mistakes. Okay, so you don't end up after wigging, when you are combing your hair, you see that your closure is not lapping very well on your head. You want your closure to lap very well whenever you are putting on the hair. So this is how to do it. Make sure it's lapping very well on the cap. Secure it perfectly with a pin. That's the first thing to do. Then after that, I have to use a band to hold the hair so that I won't get any form of disturbance when I'm sewing down the closure. So now getting my needle and thread, I have to start sewing down. First of all, I pick the cap from the cap to my lace. Okay, and I pin the cap to my lace, then from the lace again to my cap. I swatch the direction of my hand, see what I'm doing exactly. When you do it like this, you're going to still get the same result with me. Then from the lace cap again to the legs. I'll do this 3 times, and after the third one they will now move ahead and start sewing the closure round. I'm going to sew it around the cap. So from here now I'll start sewing. And please, when you are doing this, do not give much space, guys. Do not give much space, just little space, okay? So that your closure don't end up pulling with time. Maybe when you just wore the hair for like a month or so, you notice that your closure is already pulling. So to avoid that, so make sure it's very secured, okay? When you are sewing, make sure that it's very tight and you're not giving much space. So I'll allow you guys to watch. So this is the place I am after while sewing it around. Okay, we just have little more to go. And guys, let me say this: while watching the video on how the pattern I used to create this particular closure is actually a double knot. It's a different pattern, guys. It's a different pattern. That doesn't mean it must be this pattern that you use to create your own closure. You can use any of the patterns I've shared on my channel to create that. But if you prefer this one, still go ahead and watch that video, okay? And I equally have a secret I shared in that particular video. You can only get to know that secret only when you watch that video, okay? I dropped a very secret that have been helping me, which I think will help each one of you. That is why I decided to share it with you guys. Go ahead and watch that video so you'll be able to find out the secret I'm talking about. So guys, now that we are done with the closure, let's go ahead and start the wigging. So I started at the base, okay? The base of the cap, that's where I started. You can use a pin, either a pin or the other kind of pin. This will help you, okay? Just use it to clip the hair, so it will help you while you are sewing. You won't have any kind of disturbance on the way. So for your first start, I do start with the left, okay? I pick the left of the head. From the left, then I pick the cap, okay? Which is for the start. Once I start, I'm not going to be picking the left again. Instead, I'll be placing my needle under the left. Okay, I don't know if you guys understand, but if you watch what I did, you notice the difference between what I did at the start point and what I'm doing now. At the start point, I pick the left. Now I'm picking under the left. That's the right way to do it. So I'll continue like this. Then when I get to the end, now I'll show you guys how to flip the head. Some people, when they get to the end, because they don't know the right way to flip the head, they just cut like they cut it and continue. When they get to another end, they'll cut it. If you do it that way, you're actually damaging your hair. That's just the truth. You're damaging your hair. Maybe in future you might decide to release that particular hair. You find out that the hair will be pieces, like you've been to pieces, and after wigging it might not be that full again. So I'll show you guys the right way to flip your hair, and after wigging to still be very flat. Please guys, keep watching. Now when you flip the hair, okay, when you turn the hair over to the other side, you have 2 left, okay? You are picking the 2 like this. No, you're going to pick just one of it, and then you sew, okay, like you wig. And please make sure that this particular place is flat, and what you should be picking is the weft of the hair. The reason why you should pick the weft is because you want that particular place to be very flat. So you should pick the weft of the hair, and with the help of a pin you can use it to just clip the hair so that for easy sewing, that's just the reason. Don't be disturbing it. And the space I'm giving is not much. It's not up to 1 inch. I'm just giving half an inch. You can as well use an outline to first of all apply your cap before wigging. Apply it half, okay, half inch, depending on your bundle. Okay, if your bundle is not up to 3, maybe the bundle is not much, the one you're working with is not much, you can apply it 1 inch. Okay, for this particular one, do not use an outline, but I already made a video on how you can actually apply your wig cap before wigging. But this particular one, I did not give too much space, just half an inch, because I have more than enough bundle. That's why I did it like that. And when it's time for you to change your needle, please make sure you knot this particular place very well, okay, to avoid the one you've already done. Avoid it to lose. Make sure you knot it very well before changing your needle. So guys, if you know that you found any value from this video so far, please give the video a like. If you have any question, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Let me share the videos. If you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe, and I promise you're not going to regret it, because I make videos on how to ventilate hair, how to wig, how to make your own hair, how to revamp hair, but everything concerning hair. Okay, you never regret the reason why you subscribe to my channel. So guys, I'll just continue this way without giving much space. I'll continue wigging that way. And again, when you get to an end, okay, you should limit the space you give so that you don't end up, when you get to the upside, you still have enough space at the center, while the two ends you just have little. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. The way you exhaust the bundle you're working with, this is exactly how to. Okay, this is exactly how to join the new bundle with the old one. So pick the new one, the weft one, and then pick the old one, then pick your cap. So that's how to join both of the bundles. Pick the bundle, the new bundle, pick the old one, then pick the cap. Okay, do this, knot it like twice, then after that you can forge ahead. So guys, this is just how to wig. This is how to add your join the new bundle to the old one. This is just how to wig it. It's just the perfect way to wig. So I hope you guys to continue watching, and please, if at this point if not like this video, please like the video, leave a comment down below. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So guys, keep watching. We'll get to the end of this video. We just have one more round to go. Okay, we just have one more round to go. This is actually the last round I'm going to go because I've gotten to the closure part. I don't too like wigging on the closure. Okay, I don't like wigging on top of the closure. I just wig close to the closure but not on top of the closure. So guys, finally we are done with the wigging. We are done. We just have to close the closure now and then give it a comb. So the next thing I'm going to do is to remove that dark side. Okay, if you look at the closure, you see that it's not okay this way. So you have to cut it out under the lace. Okay, I'm still going to show you guys how to do this. And please, when you are doing this, be very careful because any mistake you make here, if you end up cutting your closure, I mean the lace, it means you've damaged your handwork. Yes, you have it. If you do any mistake by cutting the lace, I mean the closure, you've damaged your handwork. So be very careful when you are doing this. Okay, and avoid the weak part. I mean the place you sew the needle and thread. Avoid it. Do not cut any of the thread. Just be careful. Okay. And finally guys, this is what we have. I'm able to guide you guys from the closure making down to the wigging. If you want edited video, now I was able to do this closure. The pattern I used, please watch the video before this one. That's how I did it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always sharing my video, commenting, liking. I really appreciate all that. And see you guys in my next video. Bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ask your question in the comment section if you have any. Bye.